So the customers in Benchmark's advanced computing and communication sector provide leading-edge technologies that will really be bringing the whole world into the future. Our customers build the world's fastest supercomputers. Our customers enable all of us to access the internet. They enable us to use our cell phones. As soon as a product is released, we're designing new products. And so they need a partner who can come to the table, help them get that product prototyped, get that design for manufacturing, design for cost, design for supply chain, and then, while those products are launching, design and bring the next product into the field. The global footprint of Benchmark helps bring this all to realization as well. We can work with our customers in region to help develop, co-develop products, launch products, prototype products close to the proximity of our customers. All of these things have to work when they get the field. And a lot of that has to do with the design, and then also has to do with operations, the quality of our systems, the quality of our processes that produce a repeatable product on time, every time. Benchmark really partners with our customers because as they face challenges in this market, they are more than just a number to Benchmark. We're able to understand the future of the customers, we understand where they're going with their products, and so we can help them get there faster through the technical expertise that we have and the real close relationships. Benchmark, when it matters.